In this video, we'll be going through how to sign in to use Google services. First, open any internet browser. So in my case, I've opened Google Chrome. Then, go to google.ca and click on the blue button on the right side corner that says Sign In. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with this screen. Go and type in your email address, which will be provided to you, and which will either be a personal name or a position. So in my case, it is jays@skacl.ca, but in your case, it might be 107 chair@skacl.ca, for example. Click Next, and enter your password. Click Next, and after a few seconds, you have now successfully signed in. So once you sign in once, you can access all Google apps and services without needing to sign in again. So all of these apps that I've showed you, you can now access. Mail you can access from here or out here. And one thing that I didn't mention in the last video is that you can actually drag and drop these apps to different places based on your personal preference. So Google Drive, I can drag and drop down here. I can bring it up back here. I would recommend putting services that you use the most in the topmost positions and things that you use the least down here.